Hey guys, this is Mrs. Straub. We're going to be using Zoom to do instructions starting April 20th, and I wanted to give you guys a quick how-to about how to put Zoom on your Chromebook if you've never used it before. If you've used it before and you're a pro at it, don't worry about this message. So the first thing you're going to do on your Chromebook is go to the Google Play Store. You're going to have to download the app for Zoom. Google Play Store, this is what it looks like on my screen. It might look a little different on your Chromebook. Once I'm in the Google Play Store, I'm going to type in Zoom, Z-O-O-M, and then hit search. And you're going to want to click on this icon here, the one that has the blue background and the white camera. Click on it, and it will prompt you to install it on your Chromebook just like this. So all you have to do is hit install. Okay, the next step I'm going to show you is how to install this if you're using a PC or laptop. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you is how to get to Zoom on a PC or a laptop. For me, I'm using a laptop that has Windows operating system. So I can get to Zoom in one of two ways. The first way is to go to www.zoom.com. It'll bring you right to the web page. Or you can go to the Google search bar and hit Zoom. And that will bring you up a couple of options. For me, it's easier for me to click on this. Zoom Video Conferencing Web Conferencing Webinars. I'm going to click on that and it will take me to Zoom's web page. Now you can sign up with an account. It's free right now. I've got an account here. Or you can hit join a meeting. What you're going to have to do though to join a meeting is install this first on your computer. It's really easy. It'll bring it down here where you click on it and hit run, and your computer will do everything on its own. Okay, everybody needs to install Zoom on their Chromebook or laptop or desktop this week. We're going to do a trial run to see if everybody can get on at some point this week, just to see if it's working before we start next week. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment, and I will be happy to reach out to you and walk you through it if you need it, or answer any questions that you have.